Hey racers, John Racer here today, back for week 3 of the Overdrive Racing League Spring 2026. I am speaking to you from the pit lane, going out for our practice race for tonight's heat. We are in Group 1 because we are currently sitting first in points as of tonight. We had a really good week last week, so looking to defend our spot, but we got some fast guys in this Group 2. We got Hyde and we got Caleb. We're going to be going for the win here today as well, so we got to keep out our look. No, so we got to look out for those guys. But there is actually a little competition for this practice race, where the person with the best first lap in this practice wins a gift card for something. I'm not exactly sure what, but we're going to be sending it on this first lap. See how well we can do, and hopefully we can win ourselves a gift card or something. But overall, just working on getting some practice laps in before the racing tonight as well. I did not do much practice this week, so this will be all the practice I get before the races tonight with some tough competitors. So see what we can do. We're in 36. I think 36 is a decent kart. I could be wrong, but it's going to be a cold track, so we'll just have to work with what we've got. All right, first lap. I just locked up the brakes so bad there. All right, see here, are we first? No, Hyde got me. Well, shoot. Oh well, now let's just lock in. Definitely a cold track. We'll let Hyde get by us. Follow him, maybe get some good lap times. Feels pretty good, not gonna lie. Uh-oh, Gabby's got an issue in kart 40. This is a good lap though, Dode. Don't slow me down till the end of this lap. Okay, good. Nice. Oh, that didn't improve my time at all, but Gabby's kart's got some issues, but all right. Yeah, it definitely smelled some kind of burn in there. Not sure what happened, but all right, leading quite the train. Got such a good line through there. Learning a lot, actually. Third fastest with an 18.4. Hyde got the fastest time. Not bad. Not bad. That's decent pace. That's what I wanted. All right. So now we're gonna do the stick pull, which I'll make sure to film the stick pull this time because I forgot to do that last time out. So yeah, we'll lock it in and let's do some racing. That was a good practice race.
I mean, I did also, I was watching your line going into that first hairpin. Helped me a little bit, just like how stable you keep the kart. So yeah, you're really good at that turn. I think it was Hyde. I think Hyde got it.
What did he get? Like the scores, the times were updating as I went past it on the first lap, so I honestly don't know.
Well, what's your first lap? 19.3. Oh, I did 19.2. 19.0. All right. It sounds like it was Caleb actually. Who would have guessed that?
All right. Lucky number 3. 2? Dang it. Wanted him to start behind us.
Right. I got pretty lucky on my first heat race. Now I'm scared now.
You can just wreck them, it'll be fine. Good luck. Good luck. I don't like this league racer sandwich I'm in right now.
It'll be interesting.
This will be interesting.
That start's gonna go crazy.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Hey, let's see what happens. All right, we pulled stick number 3. Caleb is in front of us in 2nd, and Hyde is behind us in 4th. If we can just keep our position, that would be optimal. So this is gonna be an interesting start. I gotta be careful about Hyde behind. Oh boy. Honestly, if we can just keep it in one piece and not give up any positions, that'd be sick, but I know Hyde's gonna be on my tail. I'm gonna have to block really hard. So let's try and be offensive instead of defensive in today's race. That's the goal. If I get spun out, it'll be karma from last week, so I'm open to that. All right. I know Caleb and I would just lose so much time if we battle each other the whole time, so. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting. Gotta go up a little bit more. Yeah, actually, Caleb, you should reverse again. And don't jump the start, very important. Oh, Caleb's smart. Push him through. Oh, 30's got good speed. Okay, we're through. Shit, okay, we've got some space. Oh my God, that was stressful. Caleb seems a bit locked in. Let's just try and get some good lap times on the board. This thing seems a little bouncy. Can't let Hyde catch up. Okay, no more talking, walking in. That wasn't very fast. Okay, we're good though, we're good though. Okay, I'm ready for this race to end. Give me the white flag, please. I'm getting good laps. I should go for fastest lap time now. There's the white flag. All right, one more lap to go. If we hold this, it'll be from 3rd to 2nd. Which honestly, I'm pretty happy about. We'll take it. Oh my God. Let's freaking go. That was good. I think that played out as well as it could have, for me, I think. Shadow Caleb, I have to go back and look at what happened to Hyde there at the end. I don't know what happened. So I'll have to edit the camera so I can see behind me for that, because I didn't get best lap. Looks like Caleb beat us on best lap, but no caution. That was a good one. That was a good race. We'll take it. 3rd to 2nd. I don't think that's quite 200 points. We want to try and get 200 points every race. So 1st place gets 200 for winning if they start 1st. Caleb got more than that because he started 2nd, finished 1st. However, I think I'll be a little bit lower than that, but overall, pretty good performance. We'll take that. Oh my goodness, Hyde did finish 4th. What the heck?
I took a big hit there eventually. I don't know what lap that was I took that big hit, but I took a massive hit. Overall, we'll take that. Let's go take a look at the points sheet here, just so I know how many points I scored on that one. So started 3rd, finished 2nd. That's 196, so very close to 200 points for the race. So happy with that, we'll take it. All right, well, we got still one more race to battle it out, and let's make it a good one. I'm happy with that. Let's hope Caleb starts behind me next time so I can actually make more passes, but. All right, heck yeah, one more to go. All
right, John.
Give me like 4.
6.
6. He's 6 in 36. All right, let's see what everyone else gets. So both Caleb and Hyde are gonna be in front of me for this one. Oh man. P1? You're just the luckiest stick puller of all time, I guess. 3 out of 4 is pretty good. Oh my God.
It's gonna be a choo-choo express.
God, I hope so. Oh man. Yeah, we've got our work cut out for us today. Starting all the way at the back, which should be good for content. Let's hope we can make some passes here. So Hyde's in first. He's pulled first 3 out of the 4 times so far this season, so good for him. Caleb pulled 5th, so he's right in front of me. We gotta stay attached to Caleb, that's the goal. We've got some work to do, Caleb. Got some work to do. This will be a fun one to watch, I'm sure.
Just gotta get around this guy. Should let John pass you, that'd be totally rad. That also implies that he's there to pass you.
I think John's going through you, not around.
Yeah, John's gonna like shoot your tire out.
You saw my races last week. Oh man. Yeah, hoping to make up some spots, but whatever happens, I'm just happy with the camaraderie we have here at Overdrive. Makes whatever position you finish in worth it. All right, we have some work to do. This is gonna be something. Let's try and make up at least 1 spot. 2 spots would be preferred. I hope Hyde runs away with it too. He deserves the points he lost from last race. All right, thumbs up. Let's not jump the start. Good luck to everybody. This will be a fun one. What was that? What was that? What? He got a warning for that? He got a warning for that? That is crazy. All right, let's get past this guy. Give me that. Give me that spot. Okay. Man, I got so much time to make up, man. Oh, I wish I was behind Caleb there. Just made up a spot. All right, let's catch up to 31. All right, let's move them out of our way. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a caution. I think it might have been you. I don't know though. Penalty, dude?
Alright guys, so currently we are on lap 10 out of 12, so we got just a little bit left.
Remember, if there's another caution on the last lap, it's just as you guys finish. There's not a restart on the last lap.
The first lap of my race was just destroyed by someone literally in the back of the field. That's all right. Let's see what we can do for these next 2 laps. This will be a chaotic one. Come on, Caleb, make a move. Damn, finishing 5th. Oh. Hey, we got fastest lap though. That is actually huge for us. Oh my God. It be like that sometimes. So definitely my worst performing race so far of the league, but drew a low stick and got run into. Ruined my race. Not much else to do there. Like, brother, you're getting passed on the inside. Don't ruin your race because you're gonna lose the position anyways. Ridiculous. And he only got a warning for that. That is so messed up. Oh well. Still fun, and we've got some fun races to watch, so we'll learn from that for next time, and next time, hopefully we have a few more things in our own control, because that was a lot out of my control, that race. And yeah, the fastest lap points helped me out a ton in that race. Yeah, good job, man.
Thank you.
I'll have to look back at your move. I'm still kind of frustrated from the first lap. You pinched me when I had space on you on the first lap. Lost a couple seconds, and then I just had to gain all that time back.
You ran fastest lap.
I did run fastest lap, so that helped me points-wise, but...
Points. That's actually a lot of points.
Yeah?
How many?
23 for fastest lap.
That's a lot of points.
And I made up one spot, so it might be another 200-point day for me.
That's good.
Race for me.
Nice.
But you win some, you lose some, man.
Oh,
Oh yeah, so I only got like 180 points for that race, including fastest lap time. Yeah, by a couple tenths actually on all you guys. That kart felt so good. Just wait until you see this replay. I got kind of screwed over. I had position there. But oh well, Team 18, not our best race, but we are the ones to be reckoned with when we're behind the crowd. So we'll see where that puts us points-wise after. Here's where the points are now. After that race, hopefully it's a lot better for next week and have some better spots, but that was chaos. I don't think we're gonna talk to the marshals, are we? We're just gonna take it on the shoulder and just go. I think that's the only thing we can do. Anyway, it's still a really fun night of racing. Congrats to Hyde to winning. And yeah, we'll see what happens in these next couple races. But that was a really chaotic race for me. So let's hope for better things next time. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next week. Bye.